Guess what I got today? Teabag saying hi. I got It's My Nature camping pack, and it's so cool. I've got another coloured rabbit. I've got a grey one. Little fire, sticks, marshmallows, and cups back there. She's holding some cups. There's a cup down there. And 4 other characters. And I'm going to open it. Okay, I'm customizing my new nature dolls. And I've just put Sophie's eyes in the Daniela doll. And she looks amazing. I can't believe how pretty she looks. There you go. Pretty. And I'm going to do the rest of them. But I just wanted to show you how pretty this one is. And I don't have a Daniela with blue eyes. So, she's the first. And she's so pretty. Hello everyone. I finished all my new customs. And I'll show you what they look like. This one is... I forgot their name. This one is Claire Smart. She's the Alexis doll with Katie's eyes. This one is Vivian Jones. And she's the Denny doll with Sophie's eyes. And this one is Jocelyn Piers, and she's a Katie doll with Danny's eyes. And this one here has no namer, because I don't know what to do with this one yet. And this one's the Sophie with Alexi's eyes. So that's all my new customs. It's gone blurry.
You haven't painted them.
I haven't painted them yet, of course, but they will. Okay, I just wanted to show you. Bye bye.